been a super long time since I just picked up the camera, not gone to the shop all day, and just constantly worked on cars. So that is exactly what we are doing today, boys. We're just gonna jump in the Evo. We got a ton of plans, a ton of stuff to do today. Pretty much is all car related, so let's get the day started. Eating again, huh? I want to show you something. You want to come outside with me? Coda, you want to come? Come on, follow me. What did I do?
You put those things on.
What things?
The things.
I put the bumper on, dude.
Yeah.
I have a serious debate though. Do you like it?
Yeah.
For starters?
I love it.
Okay. Now I have a question for you, and I have a question for YouTube as well. So come to the side. Do you think that lip needs to be wrapped the same color as the car? It looks good from the front, but the sides, you know? It's hard to say.
Let me go look at the other side. Huh. I don't know.
Más o menos?
I think it looks good how it is. But I also don't think it'd look bad if you wrapped it.
I wonder what Coda thinks of it.
That's it.
Yeah, guys, I don't know if I should wrap the lip too, because on the white side, there's just so much black right there on the bottom, and it doesn't really flow with the side skirts. So drop a comment down below, and let me know what you think. Should I wrap it, or should I leave it black? Oh, back to eating. I have one more question. Let's go look at something else. It's another serious debate, and you don't get a nap today.
Yeah, I do.
We're gonna go to the front of the car. Come look at it with me, please. In this location. Mirrors. Are the mirrors too small?
Oh.
Do you like them?
Too small.
Too small?
Yeah.
They're fuck.
They're way too small.
No! Son of a... Well, I can't replace them. I don't have any other mirrors to put on the car.
You can take mine. You can take my red ones. It'll match your wheels, and then I can take yours.
I'm leaving the mirrors. I don't care what you say.
They're way too small.
I like them on this car. This is made for small.
No,
You're too small.
You need a mirror that's like that big. That's it.
Let me in! Don't freaking lock me out. Alright, boys and girls, so we're pulling up to my buddy's shop right now. You guys know him as Baderbilt, but he just opened his new shop called High Boost Solutions, and he's got a new Evo 8 here. There's an R33 GTR right behind me. He's got a new Evo 8 here, and I want to check it out and buy some parts from him. That thing sounds good. Next purchase?
That's pretty neat.
I smell E85. Definitely smells some E. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing? Yeah, man, Josh.
Here, do you want me to open it?
What's up, guy?
How? Can you steal that hood?
Can I steal that turbo?
Kind of looks like Coda.
This is his Honda he's building. It's actually an all drive swap, and I think it's a 68. I don't know what turbo that is. What is it? 68 mil?
It looks really nice because it's blue.
This thing is a big oof. You should do your calipers that color.
Ooh.
And then this here is the car that everybody knows, with the exhaust out the fender. This one's like 11 or 1200 horsepower off the wheels. So we ended up picking up the diffuser. I'll pull it out of the car later so you guys can see it. Yeah, pretty sick. I'm stoked to get it on the car. So this here is the diffuser we picked up. I don't know if it's 100% real. I don't know if it's real or a rep. All I know is that it has some damage right there, and it looks like there was a tag on there at one point. It needs some work right there, but not a big deal. I can get that fixed up, no problem. But yeah, it's like half carbon, half fiberglass. So I don't know if it's a real or if it's a rep. I need to do some research online to figure out if the actual real Voltex is a half carbon like this one is, because you can see it stops right about there. So that guy there is for the Evo 8. I'm super pumped to get that thing on. We should be working on that car again pretty soon here. I already have a clutch. As soon as the Evo 10 is all finished up, not that Evo 10, and this Evo 10 here, as soon as the whole fuel system is set up, we are going to move on to working on the Evo 8. A few other things we picked up is a new alternator for the FRS. I'm pretty sure the voltage regulator on that car is bad. That's why it keeps draining the battery. We got some stock Evo 10 wheels for Bobby for winter, with winter tires already on them. Stock exhaust, it just came with the wheels. What I think I'm gonna do right now is head to the shop. Oh, nice. This thing's a little dented up on the pulley. It's not new, it's used. A new alternator was like 400, and I got this one for 40. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's swap this thing out real quick on the FRS and see if it fixes that problem. I feel like I haven't showed this car on the channel forever, and we plan on doing a photo shoot. I feel like the only time I ever take the car out is for photo shoots, but we do plan on doing a photo shoot with this thing here soon. So I should probably get it cleaned up, and then after that I'll probably go away for winter if it starts snowing ever. That shit always cracks me up, how the exhaust only comes out one side. I guess that's what you get for eBay exhaust. I think I'm gonna have my brother rebuild this exhaust system on this car eventually. I don't know when, but he's also gonna be doing the Evo 8 system. Austin, he's the one that was over here helping me paint the hood the other day. He's really good. He's really good with fab work, and I'm not at all. So we just got the alternator swapped out. The battery is a brand new Interstate battery, so it is a pretty decent battery. I swapped it out for that Walmart one that we had in here. It is currently at 12.47 volts. I have everything aftermarket, lighting wise, disconnected. The only aftermarket thing connected right now is air ride. Of course, I need the air to work to drive the car, but I'm gonna let it sit for probably 24 hours, and if it's still at around 12.4 or more volts, that voltage regulator inside the alternator was the problem. The reason I think that was a problem in the first place, because I was trying to disconnect all the wiring, trying to figure out what was drawing power from the battery, and I ended up disconnecting the alternator, and no more power was getting drawn from the battery. The only thing disconnected was the alternator, so that led me to believe that the voltage regulator inside the alternator was bad. So yeah, let's let this thing sit for a while and come out tomorrow and see if it's still holding a charge. All right, we got the FRS cleaned up. That is pretty much all the love the car needs today, is just figuring out the alternator issue, cleaning it, and we're done. That's why I like that car stock and not boosted, is because I know the day I boost it, I'm gonna send it hard, and I'm definitely gonna be having a lot of problems with it. I'm really enjoying it while it's stock and reliable. I just got to my buddy's place. You guys know him as Limitless Coatings, and we are going to be doing some more powder coating on the Evo 10. Let me show you guys what we're doing. So we have the valve cover done red, and I've been wanting to do the strut tower bar, and I think everyone on YouTube also agrees that needs to be done red to match. The problem is I don't have an oven big enough for that or a sandblaster, so I'm gonna have Travis at Limitless Coatings do it. I didn't bring any tools with me though, so let's hope they have some tools here to get this thing off. There you go, sir.
Awesome, thank you.
I was telling you guys earlier, when we worked on the FRS, I took out the Walmart battery and put it in the Interstate, and the Walmart battery is in this car, and I've seen a few comments like, that battery's hard to be holding on. Yeah, you guys are right. this battery should probably just be thrown away. All right, fam, we are back home now, and I figured I'm gonna end off this video with kind of showing you guys the abandoned Evo project that we started a while ago and never finished. The car is pretty much complete. Well, it's 100% complete on the exterior. The engine bay is all done. Got a new motor in there. It probably has like 20 miles on it. This is the interior right now. So basically what we are trying to figure out is the ABS system. It was something to do with like a G-force sensor, which is located under the console down here. It's way back there. I think that G-force sensor had something to do with why the ABS system on the car wasn't working. So as soon as we get that figured out, we can get rid of this car. I feel like there's no sense in having two white Evo 10s. So everyone keeps asking when and what is the next project car. This car has to go first. This car needs to be gone before I even consider buying another car. And we still have a lot of work to do on the Evo 8 anyway. I should probably finish up the abandoned Evo 10 one of these days. It's probably something simple like always, but I just lost so much motivation on that car after dealing with, first we had the ECU problem, which was an easy fix. And then what other issues I feel like we had so many little problems with that car because we didn't buy it with a motor. So many random things that were missing, and I just got fed up with it and sick of it, so I decided to work on my own Evo 10. Now I just need to refocus my energy back on that car, get it finished, get it gone, so we can free up some space, free up some money, and buy the next project car. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.